before I start the vlog. Boop. Now I'm ready. It's 5:53. I'm dressed. I did my language learning training and now I'm off. I'll be back around so Nicole and I and my mom could ride together to the gym this morning to see Jimmy. Yay. Oops. And I forgot. When I don't have a blender bottle handy, I use a bottle that I drank previously because I did finish my bottle by 6 p.m. I used it previously and I mixed protein in it before the gym because I cannot work out with Jimmy without something in my stomach. And I'm starting on my brand new bottle of water this morning too, so hopefully I'll be finished with that by 5 o'clock today. Anyhow, happy drinking. I'm about to go downstairs and meet Tony so that we can go to the gym. It's about 6 a.m. and I'm just getting my gallon. I need to eat my first meal of the day, drink some protein, and get our day started. We're really just like gymming it up today, clients, and then preparing for the last day's sale, which should be really good because it's our last few days. But I'm about to get started with my meals. It's early and I need the rest of my meals for the rest of the day too. But yeah, that's it. We got a special guest this morning. Our mom usually doesn't ride with us and she's taking my spot.
Morning.
Yeah.
Yep, get in
Good
the
morning.
bag. Get in the bag.
Get in the back.
The other bag.
The other bag. The other bag. It's a mess. Cute, Nicole.
Thank you, mommy. Now we're off to the gym. With me cramped in the back.
Tucked in tight.
Okay. Turn around, Nicole. Hey, there you go.
There's mommy. Yeah, workout was good.
Yes, it was.
I need a full 24 hours in between workouts.
No, you don't. You feel even better now that
I feel
half
stronger,
shit.
but normally we go
You don't need
6:30
the full
one day and
24
then 6:30 the next day.
Right.
Yesterday we went
And maybe
midday.
mentally,
So
you know, so I get where Tony's coming from. Like, I know mentally, like, hey.
I still feel
Forget it.
yesterday
It'll be
workout.
better now. Finally back in the house. Just got my breakfast done. I'm eating potato and 1.5 egg whites and a full egg. And that's my breakfast. I just have to get the rest of my meals together for the rest of the day and then head to work for a little bit and then get the store together for the last day's sale. How much for the closures? Like 12 to 20 inches?
For the closures
Or any inch really?
any inch 4
like-
by 4 is $35.
Okay, 35. And then for the frontals, any inch,
$65.
65. 360, I'm thinking 75
Okay.
for 360.
Mm-hmm.
For,
The closure units.
yeah, closure unit,
75 for
maybe
the 4
like
by 4.
75, yeah.
Mhm.
For the frontal units, maybe like 90
90.
for the short ones. And then bundles, 18, 12 to 18, maybe like 25.
25 sounds good.
20 plus
Mm-hmm.
for bundles, 35.
35. Okay. What
For
about your ponytail?
ponytails, we said 40,
Yes.
30-inch ponytails.
Mm-hmm.
For the stylist wigs, 1 by 4, virgin hair, let's do 20. Did we say 25?
25.
25 will be good. And the lashes, $1.
$1.
The brushes, $5. I think
Brushes.
$3.
$3 for
Yeah, we
brushes?
previously had them pretty low. And
so
then
the
it'll be
skirts and
set for
tops are
tomorrow.
$3?
Yeah, no
Okay.
bags, no packaging for it. Just grab and go.
Nope.
sales. You guys won't even see this, but we have a ton of stuff in here. All of this has to go in the boxes. There are a ton of units in here, like 13 by 4 lace frontal units, 4 by 4 lace closure units. All of this is a 360 unit, platinum blonde unit. These here is a whole bunch of closures. All, doesn't matter what length, texture, going up to 20 inches. Frontals, virgin hair, Korean lace is much more durable. Already pre-plucked or short pixie afro stuff. These are stylist box right here. They have really good color on it, custom color and everything. This is 4 by 4 lace closure. So it should be a really good sale, really good turnout. And we're just closing up everything in the store. And then of course, we've pulled all that we probably will from the warehouse. And then everything just needs to be cleaned up. But this will be tomorrow. All this stuff has to go in boxes, ready to wear units too. All of this stuff, we have weft sealing, edge wax, all of it. It's all going. Everything starts at $1 too. Lashes are $1. Brushes are $3. Full on brushes. You have clips, $3. Oil dryers, $15. So it's all going. We're just getting ready for our closeout sale. Styled a few wigs. Got a ton more to style to get the store ready to close out.
Close out.
Finally about to head home and get some food. Gotta cook.
And come back.
Stuff. And come back. Got more clients, and then of course more units to style and get ready to sell for tomorrow. Should be really good. We just released it on Facebook and Instagram, which is
really well.
Yeah, it's doing really well, like a lot of interactions with it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But all this stuff has to go regardless. We're probably gonna add a little bit to the site, but we really don't want the site to get a heads up and then people not come in, because we want this inventory to go in real life and not have to ship anything. Nobody likes to ship anything this way. So we finally made it home. I'm getting ready to make all of our meals for the day. It's really late. All this stuff should have been done yesterday. However, we were out, so we didn't prep, and we're in prep, so we need to be prepping our food. My husband is right there.
I don't have my wig on.
You can pause it. My husband's right there, standing over me, waiting for food. We got the fish. We got water up here and fruit snacks that are not a part of our meal plan, that I don't even eat. Some other stuff, none of it's mine, so that's cool. But we got the fish from the meat market. Then rice, potatoes, onions to season, veggies, all this stuff we have to eat today. So I'm gonna put it together and I'll come back when it's all done. You guys comment below if you want like a full-on meal prep. What do you eat? You know, like what do we eat or how do we make it? I think it's really tasty. I guess Tony was hungry and tired and sitting on the couch because she... Well, we're still cooking. I'm making like a stir fry. And that's one of my meals. Buzzing along. I'm gonna add in like 87 grams of rice. I gotta scoop all of that out and then mix it up. After a week, even better. She's real hungry, so she's gonna eat like some
Bread.
but she's calculated it out of her calories, so whatever.
Oh yeah.
and water. Oh, your back looks so good. Gotta drink a gallon of water a day. We started out late because we just picked these up at like 2 o'clock from the store. What time is it now? I usually try to stop drinking by 5 o'clock so I don't have to use the bathroom all night.
It's 4:10.
It is 4:12. I might finish it by 6. I mean, it's really a lot in here, but try to finish the gallon of water every single day. I am starving. So while Nicole is cooking my food that I love, I'm making 2 pieces of bread with a lot of, I can't believe it's not butter, and fish that she made for me.
0 calories.
0 calories. I'm gonna get an old school fish sandwich.
Oh, it's so cold. Trying something a little different today on the vlog. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a cute.
And that's my meals for the day. So it's about like 4:17 right now. 4:15, so it's pretty late. So I'm probably just gonna eat through this. I want to be done eating by like 5. Finish my water throughout the night. But I literally have like 4 meals here. This is like meal 2. This is like meal 4, meal 3, meal 5. I have 3 scoops of protein that I need to get in.
If you have any questions about fasting, dieting, prep life, put them in the comments.
Yeah, put them down below. It's been a long day. We are really getting ready for the sale.
Yeah, the sale is gonna be crazy. 1 day only. We are ready. We barely put things on the website for it, and already the few things that we put on the website have already sold out.
Right.
So we're trying to hold on to some stuff so when people actually come in tomorrow, there's a lot of inventory. But once it's all done, it is done, and the store will be officially closing at in 3 days.
Right.
Yeah, so that's crazy. And then we can move on to bigger and better and more content creation, more everything, but definitely not more standing on our feet.
We'll see y'all tomorrow, y'all.
Tomorrow.